to alwora mag nembe.
To be lower coverage in households in the lower health, with lower wealth quantiles, in the lower wealth quantiles. So people from poorer households tend not to go for the vaccine. It's also that children also who did not sleep under bed net the last night were also likely not to have also gone for the vaccine. So these are issues to reflect upon. And then for areas that had IRS, where IRS is being spread, they also seem to have lower coverage. And that's south of the lake. That's Homa Bay and Migori areas.
Given the massive data generated by KEMRI, it has become necessary to establish a centralized in-house research data hub in the country where data can be pooled for secondary use. This forms a basis for advancement of health system strengthening through use of high-performance computing and application programming interface modules, machine learning, algorithms, and coding for artificial intelligence. A combination of academic research and global partnerships available at KEMRI makes postgraduate study a fertile environment for young scientists aspiring to build future rewarding career in health research and innovation.